Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today we're going to be getting into cash and currency analysis, so let's get right into it. Today the market's opened pretty massive, I'm not going to lie. You can see on USD JPY we got a 200 pip move just off open. So, big ass moves. I'm pretty sure it's because the government shut down. I actually don't have any information on this, but if I were to guess, it'd be because of that. Because NFP never came out, so maybe we got news on that. I'd say it's a pretty good guess, but either way, we don't trade news, so we're just gonna get back into the technicals. So let's get started with 80 CAD. So starting off, we're still in this range over here. I don't see anything too useful other than my two lines, so we're here. Let's remove my alerts like always. I always forget to do this. This week I'm going back to the basics and only trading 28 pairs, just the majors, because I don't really want to get into it with a Oanda spread and have to do all that all the time. So, and we had my $1,000 account. My $1,000 account is now sitting at $925, so we're at $75 down. So we're in a drawdown of like 7.5%. And another thing with Oanda is they say I'm only down $71, so it's like $4 in charges that they don't even tell you about. And if you try to connect to TradeZella, they won't show, so just be cautious about that. I'm in the US, so I'm trying to do things with Oanda because I use Oanda charts and just be better for me. But I don't know. I also want higher leverage, but that's not like something we get in the US without going the risky route. And I'd rather make this shit long term. I'm gonna wait till Wednesday for 80 CAD, 80 CHF. Pretty good range. Still ranging like 80 CAD, so add our alerts again and wait. So this will probably be Wednesday as well. 80 JPY, what are we doing? Looks like we're creating a higher high. Big ass move. I'm not really too interested. I mean, how are we supposed to trade this shit? There's no wick either on this shit. We'll have our alarm here, but no, it probably won't hit till like fucking Thursday. 80 NZD. Nothing here. Not interested. 80 USD. Not really sure here. It's 4-hour AOI. I'm probably not gonna do this one. Probably just gonna leave this one alone this week. CAD CHF. I don't even know if that will hit this week though. I'll set an alarm, but do it Thursday. CAD JPY. Even if it gets you, I don't even know how I'm supposed to trade that shit down. Like, cause our take profit would be down here. It'd be crazy. Not really sure. Look at these EMAs, bro. I guess we'll just trade them like usual. On for Tuesday. CHF JPY. Highest it's ever been. Not interested in it. Just gonna shift bullish then. I just don't see all that happening in 1 week. Like the retest, entry, and then take profit. So I'll just leave it alone. Euro AUD. Pretty well respected 4 hour. Technically a daily as well. EuroCAD. Big range. I'm not interested. Euro CHF. Very wiki market. Little head and shoulders as well. I don't know if I want to be a part of this. I'm gonna play on the more cautious side and be not interested. Euro GBP. Wow, this looks like a great trade. We still might be in for a good trade. If we can get this to close a little bit more bullish, and it doesn't even have to, but we get like another doji and then engulfing, I'd be down to take this again. So I don't want to get caught in any of the smaller time frame movements, so I'm going to wait for this to close, and then hopefully bearish engulfing after that, and we can just take the same trade again, because that's a great entry right there. This trade was already a banger, but it was over the weekend, so this could just be a weekend liquidity grab. Whatever you want to call it. Euro JPY. Big ass move. Not interested. Euro NZD. Not interested. Euro USD. big ass range. I'm not trying to be a part of that. We'll just leave Euro USD alone for now. Don't really like this price either. Avoid it this week. GP CAD. This looks pretty good right here. This looks pretty good right here. It did just shift even more bullish, but it's at a good area. If that could close engulfing as well, that'd be great. There is no wick though, so that's kind of a concern, but there's news candles the whole time, so. Or wait, there is a wick, right? No, maybe, no. Shifted structure. Shifted structure. Shifted structure. Not yet. All time frames are bullish. What about our stop loss? Guess we go with the safer stop loss right there. Yeah, that's a really big engulfing. I like this pair. We're on like a 7 trade losing streak right now, so if I keep losing, I mean, hey, that's just more data of how much I can lose in a row. But like, how much more can I lose in a row? You know? I'm willing to learn. I'm willing to find out. This looks like it could be a good setup. I like the price. Alert right there. Might be Thursday. GBP, JPY. I don't see anything. Fine. Didn't see any buys. Not really. Not really. GBP and ZD. Okay, this is a great doji. But golfing right here could be a break and retest to sell. This could be a massive sell. Kind of like the trade we took last week. I'll put that right there for now. This might be a good one to capitalize on too. And the downside potential is crazy. Crazy. Yeah, we're gonna keep our eye on this one. Because it looks exactly like what happened last week with one of our trades. Let me pull it up real quick for everyone. Which trade was it? CHF JPY. USD PLN. What the hell? Oh, I guess it was Euro USD. Oh, where was it? The week before? I'm fine in this pair. No. There we go. Right here. There was this right here where I thought I was going to retest to buy, create the doji, and then just sold through. Ooh, it never hit the take profit though. Ooh. Sassy. Yeah, it's this one right here. Anyways, we might be able to just sell this right here. All the way down. And if we do, we'll split the risk. Got 49 minutes to decide. GBP USD. Not the best area for me, but it'll probably drop as well. Good double top entry. So yeah, these are all good pairs to enter off of. But this one's not as a strong area of interest for me. NZD CAD. Breakthrough. Could get a retest to buy again. Thursday. NZD CHF. Just consider this the daily. NZD-JPY. Haven't had movement on this in a minute. I like this little area right here as well. NZD USD. Not interested. USD CAD. Analysis was right. Didn't know where to enter with this range though. But it was clean. But now, I don't know. It's a big ass area. We'll put it on our watching. I don't know if I want to trade that though. USD JPY. Haven't had this area hit in a while. So So maybe we could see that this week. Well, potentially. Keyword potentially. Okay. So I'm very interested in the GBP pairs. GBP CAD and GBP NZD. Great engulfings here. Great engulfing here. Daily doji. Engulfing. Two great pairs. I'll probably split the risk. Take both of them. In about 44 minutes. Euro GBP. I want this to close bullish and then get a sell signal to sell it. I do realize that that's countering this, but either way we should win. Either this is going to keep pumping up, or it's going to create that bearish and we're going to sell it and make back the loss. Euro AUD. We're waiting. CAD JPY. We're going to see what happens. Our take profit's going to be huge, so I honestly don't know about this one. This might be a record. AUD CAD. We're stuck inside this range. I just want to hit either of these areas to then sell or buy. AUD CHF, same thing. And these we're just waiting to get back to our area of interest. Watch the week. Mainly focused on these three for right now. We will most likely enter these in 40 minutes unless we get some crazy phenomena. I'm going to split the risk 50-50, so. And if this one engulfs, we'll just do a 1% risk. Alright. Oh, that was my currency analysis. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to like and subscribe, and peace out.